just like a timeless song.
Hey everyone, welcome back into the Southern Roots Kitchen. Today we are joining a monthly dessert collab that's being hosted this month by Jim's Kitchen. He kindly asked me to be a part of it, so here's my video. It's desserts made with vegetables. So we're about to cook up a sweet potato cake. Let's get started. So we've got 2 3/4 cup of AP flour. I believe it is 2/3 cup of granulated sugar, a cup of brown sugar packed, and in here we have some baking soda, some baking powder, some salt, some nutmeg, cinnamon, ginger. So we're going to give this all a mix up real quick in this bowl. Before we add our wet ingredients. So now we're going to add 1 cup of vegetable oil. We're going to crack 3 eggs in here. Two cups of mashed sweet potatoes. And the best vanilla ever, Mexican vanilla. So we're going to add a couple of teaspoons of it. And we're going to mix all of this up. All right. So we've got that mixed up. And we've got a, well, somewhere, there it is. I have a 9x13. I've sprayed down. We're going to scrape this out. Get it into our cake pan. It smells delicious. I love sweet potato pie. My mom makes the best. So we're going to see how good a sweet potato cake is today. It's going into a 350-degree oven for about 25 to 35 minutes, depending on your oven, or until you do the toothpick test and it comes out clean. I just made a mess right on my pan. I'll tell you what. All right, we're heading to the oven. All right, here we go. Let's do the frosting for this sweet potato cake. I'm going to put a stick of butter I've softened down in the microwave for the sake of time. And let's see. I am one of the worst about getting cream cheese blocks open. I'm going to put in an 8-ounce block of softened cream cheese. I've let it sit out for a while. I'm going to put in 4 cups of powdered sugar. hopefully. But knowing me, this stuff's gonna go flying everywhere. I'm gonna scoop this over here. And let's get a teaspoon of cinnamon. And let's get a good old healthy teaspoon of vanilla. That was probably more like a tablespoon, but I love it. It's good stuff. All right, so we're gonna grab our mixer over here and attempt to mix this stuff up without it flying everywhere. Here we go. Look at there, we didn't make too bad of a mess this time. So we're gonna scoop this cake over here and let's get some frosting on it. It looks good, it smells good, and we're hoping that it's gonna taste good. Like I said, I am a big fan of sweet potato pie. Also, if you've ever had butternut squash pie, drop it down in the comments to let me know what you thought. My mom has made that in years past as well. It's pretty good. Look at this frosting. So creamy and thick. All right, guys, what do y'all think? Should we cut into it? Let's see. I gotta set a spatula over here somewhere. We're gonna try to get a piece of this cake out without making it too disastrous. Something about that first piece though, man, it's just gonna flub up. Maybe we can make it this time. Woo-hoo. Looky here, sweet potato cake. So, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Look at that, it looks so good. Make sure you head over to Jim's Kitchen. Check out the dessert, the monthly dessert playlist. There's gonna be a lot of great channels that's gonna have a lot of good recipes on there, I'm sure. Southern Roots Kitchen has been busy today, so she's got a good old Southern mess to clean up. But anyway, that's what's happened in the kitchen today. I hope you stay tuned to see what's coming next. We'll catch you later.